Come test drive the 2024 Bronco. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, Ford Bronco, interior comfort, traction abilities, overall weight balancing, pulling power. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.